It is quite well documented about the pollution from different energy sources such as coal, natural gas and oil. But one area of pollution and damage to the planet that isn't discussed as much is pollution to the sea. Sea pollution is becoming an increasing problem. With the sea covering more than 70% of our planet, oceans are among the Earth's most valuable natural resources. The sea is essential for life on this planet. The sea controls the weather and helps feed the world. From dangerous carbon emissions to choking plastics and leaking oil are just some of the types of pollution humans generate in the sea. As a result, collectively, our impact on the oceans is degrading their health at an alarming rate. Rubbish is one of the main risks to marine life, from plastic bags, balloons, glass bottles, shoes and packaging materials are polluting Earth's oceans. If rubbish isn't disposed of correctly, it almost always reaches the oceans. Plastic waste, which decomposes very slowly, is often mistaken for food by marine animals, and high concentrations of plastic material, particularly plastic bags, have been found blocking the breathing passages and stomachs of many marine species including whales, dolphins, seals and turtles. Plastic six-pack rings for drink bottles can also choke marine animals and get stuck on their bodies. This garbage can also come back to shore where it pollutes beaches and other coastal habitats. There are conscious efforts by many countries to improve the health of the oceans. Efforts to clean the oceans, cutting down plastics like plastic bags, also encouraging recycling of plastic waste by many governments around the world, but more is needed to be done to improve our oceans' health.